The Viofo A119 V3 dashcam might fail to recognize your SD card due to several reasons. These include using an incompatible SD card, such as one with the wrong speed class or brand. Outdated camera firmware can also cause recognition issues. Software glitches may occur, or the SD card itself could be damaged. The card slot might have problems, and extreme temperatures can affect performance. Let's go over common fixes in the next segments. First, ensure your SD card meets the A119 V3's requirements. It supports microSD cards up to 512GB, UHSI in Class 10 or higher. Viofo officially recommends brands like SanDisk, Samsung, and Lexar. Using other brands can lead to recognition issues. Also, make sure your card is either FAT32 or exFAT file system. An outdated firmware could be the culprit behind SD card recognition issues in your Viofo A119 V3. Viofo has released updates like version 1.8.2 in February 2026 that specifically improve SD card compatibility and fix detection problems. To update, visit Viofo's official website and navigate to the support section to download the latest firmware. Follow the provided instructions carefully to install the update on your A119 V3. This step alone can resolve many SD card recognition problems. Formatting the SD card can resolve file system errors that prevent the Viofo A119 V3 from recognizing it. This process erases all data and sets up a fresh file system structure. One way to format is directly through the dashcam's menu. Power on the A119 V3, navigate to the Settings menu, and select the Format SD card option. This method ensures compatibility with the device's requirements. Alternatively, format using a computer. First, back up any important data since formatting erases everything. Insert the card into your computer, right-click the drive, and select Format. For computer formatting, choose FAT32 for cards up to 32GB or exFAT for larger cards. These file systems organize data differently. FAT32 uses a simpler structure, while exFAT handles bigger files better. Begin by carefully examining the SD card for any visible damage. Look closely for cracks, bent connectors, or uneven breaks that could prevent proper recognition. Next, inspect the A119 V3's card slot for accumulated dust or debris. A dirty slot can interfere with the electrical connections needed for card recognition. Use compressed air to gently clean the slot. Blow short bursts to remove dust without damaging internal components. Driving vibrations can gradually damage the card, corrupting data sectors and causing recognition issues. This wear and tear accumulates with regular use. If the SD card shows visible damage or continues to fail recognition after cleaning, replace it with a high-quality, compatible card to ensure reliable operation. A simple power cycle can resolve temporary glitches in the Viofo A119 V3. Start by disconnecting the dashcam from its power source. Next, remove the SD card from the device. Wait a few minutes to allow the device to fully reset, then reinsert the SD card. Finally, reconnect the power source. This resets the device and reinitializes the card. If the SD card recognition problem persists after trying all troubleshooting steps, it may indicate a hardware defect in the dashcam. Contact Viofo support or the retailer where you purchased the A119 V3 to inquire about warranty options or a replacement. Viofo offers free replacements under warranty if the issue is determined to be a manufacturing defect. This ensures you get a working device without additional cost. Looking ahead, dashcam technology is evolving towards more reliable storage solutions to address common SD card issues. Future models may incorporate internal storage, eliminating the need for removable SD cards and reducing compatibility problems. Cloud backups will allow wireless data transfer and remote storage, minimizing physical card dependencies and enabling seamless access to footage. AI-driven diagnostics will proactively detect and resolve storage issues using machine learning to ensure consistent recording and reduce user troubleshooting. These advancements promise more dependable dashcam performance as technology continues to improve.